Okay, hey guys, I got this video battle. Just hopped over on Battle Spot. You can get some nice battles on there. Except for the occasional newbie guy that wants to use all legendaries, which is kind of trolly. That are all Ubers too. You see those guys a lot. It's more fun doing the rating ones though. Yeah, my glass score outsped him because he should have protected or something first. Did he not think I have that earthquake? Oh yeah, his team has a bad earthquake weakness now that I look at it. Well, not earthquake weakness, but Glysaur can wreck him. That's already 2 gone just from Glysaur, and I'm not even like toxic stalling or anything. Just earthquake. Oh, Spirit Tomb. Spirit Tomb is awesome. Glysaur just wrecks people. Like Skizor, he just wrecks people. Now this Spirit Tomb's basically done for. I feel a little bad for it almost. Is that thing Banded Sucker Punch? I think it is. That's definitely a set for Spirit Tomb I've seen before. That thing might actually be Choice Banded. Nope. I should have done that way earlier. It's too late now. I think it's over. And that's GG. Hey guys, so subscribe or whatever if you want, and I'll keep more battles coming soon. And sorry for the laziness, I don't upload enough. I'll get on a better schedule, so see ya.